Now what you see in front of you is a foldable workbench from a well-known German retailer. Comes in a flat pack, so let's unbox it and assemble it. Right, with a box knife, just slit the edges there a bit, come around, and maybe around again, or if you want you can go the length of it, it might even be better. So let's work the length of it. So come down along here. Right, so let's take it apart. So far so good. Legs, more legs, bag of connectors, screws, little blocks are sitting on top, and a little spanner. Now the spanner says a 10 and a 13, so rather than use that, then I think I'll use my own tools, because I don't know how good that is. And of course the instruction book. Now, let's have a look. It tells you what's in the package, and it gives you instruction on how to assemble. Before you even start, go through the checklist of the package contents just to make sure that you have exactly what is there. So what I've done is I've opened up the bag and laid everything out there, counted everything off as per the book, and now would you believe there's actually one extra washer. So following the instructions in the book, the first thing is the legs. So take them out, and you'll see here that they've also got a slight bend in them. So the bend would be to the outside. So judging by that, we're going across here. Come down to this hole here, and then match this up. Now as that's the outside, then a long bolt, a washer, push that through, and through the one through the other side. Turn it over. Another washer. One of the little 10mm nylocks nuts. Get a start on it. And then using your 10mm. And now what he didn't mention was you need a screwdriver, and it just so happens that you need a Phillips. So just put that in there, hold it in place, and then just tighten up. And we'll just do the other one. With the two legs done, now on to the next stage. Tighten up. Then do the same on the other side. Now next step is just have to put these winders on so they'll open and close. Now they're screwed on underneath, so according to the picture the rule is on the windy side. So put it under there like that, and the same with the other one. So what we do then is turn them over, and there you have the holes. So just start screwing in. Now a good idea would be also to open it out as fully or as much as it can go, so then you'll have a good idea. So get a screw in. Now with these there's no washers, just get a start. Same on the other one. And then work your way around. And lastly, the legs onto the body of it. So just find where the screws are, or the holes are, to line them up. Just push them in. Get one started, and the rest should be able to follow. And there you have it. Just need to put the rubber feet on and put the little caps on top. I'd leave the little rubber feet to last till you get the angle right. But what we do is we'll just line it up right. And you can see there, just change the angle there slightly. And there's movement there. You can see it's moving in, and the other one. And there you have it. Then you can put on the little rubber blocks if you like. They're only accessories for using for hold bits of timber or whatever in place. Or if you don't find them necessary, they don't have to be there. So there you go, it's all complete. You now have yourself a DIY workbench that you would have put together yourself. Now if you've noticed as well, I put the heads of the screws on the outside of the frame and the nuts are on the inside, so you won't brush off and there won't be a risk of you cutting or nicking yourself. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, like, share and subscribe, and you can find us on other social media platforms.